Hey YouTube, happy Sunday. How's everybody doing today? Hope everyone is feeling well and you're just having a great day. I'm just gonna keep it kind of chill today because I'm really tired today. Just gonna cook. So I'm gonna take you along with me as I cook my Sunday meal. What are you guys cooking today? I woke up today just feeling like lost. Well, not lost, but just like really missing a certain place. Yeah. So I just decided that I'm just gonna cook up some food. I didn't cook all week, and I usually cook a few times a week. Yeah. So I'll be back. Well, I'm almost finished cooking. So I am making also some jerk shrimp. So guys, I need some pots and pans. What kind of pots and pans? I've never had like an official whole set, an entire set of pots. I'd love to know like what are some tried and true pot sets that you guys like. I want a really good, authentic, really quality pot set because I think I'm in my cooking era mode right now, or my cooking era. Yeah, I've only had I've never really had a substantially great pot set. I couldn't show you guys everything that I was doing because it was kind of awkward to like record everything since I always have an issue with storage. So anyways, yeah, so as I said, I'm waiting for the last part of my meal. I guess I'll just come back and show you what my meal looks like. But yeah, I'll be back. Still waiting. How many of you guys drink lemon water? Sometimes I'm in the mood for it and sometimes I can't stand it. Today I'm sort of like, But they say it's good for your tummy. So guys, this is my finished product. I have tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, some mixed vegetables here, like lettuce, cabbage, and carrots, and a bunch of stuff in there. This is the jerk shrimp. These are the plantains, and this is the rice and peas. So this is my Sunday meal. What are you guys eating today? What did you cook? Did you eat out? What are you eating today? I haven't even tasted it yet. Let me taste it and see what it tastes like. It's good. It's hot though. And I know at the beginning of the video, I told you I was missing Playa, Carmen. I had some really fun times there. Oh boy, camera, I can't wait to get some new equipment. I had some really good times there. Miss it, can't wait to go back. What are some places you miss? What are some places you visited during Christmas time? Comment down below, let me know what you had for, what you ate today, what you cooked for your Sunday meal. And oh my God, my nails, they don't usually look like this, but I've been so busy, I haven't even had taken off the nail polish, the old nail polish, so I gotta do that tonight. So that's kind of like why I needed to take a break today and just do some other stuff other than recording. But yeah, comment below, let me know how your day was, what you ate today, what you cooked for Sunday, where are some places you missed, where are you planning to visit this holiday season. Yeah, see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you can also share my video too, that'd be awesome. Have a great one. See you soon.